Hello, class. Um, so I have already searched Title 11, Bankruptcy, which is the federal codes for bankruptcy. So to find out what is the statutory definition of a claim, I just scroll down here to Chapter 1, General Provisions, Definitions. Scroll down a little. And right here at number 5, it says the term claim means a right to payment, whether or not such right is reduced to judgment, liquidated, unliquidated, fixed, contingent, matured, unmatured, disputed, undisputed, legal, equitable, secured, or unsecured, or right to an equitable remedy for breach of performance if such breach gives rise to a right to payment, whether or not such right to an equitable remedy is reduced to judgment, fixed, contingent, matured, unmatured, disputed, undisputed, secured, or unsecured. And next, we will do for people who are filing under Chapter 7, where they can find statutory provisions governing bankruptcy discharge in their particular case. So I just scrolled down here to Chapter 7, which is liquidation. Scrolled down a little. Went down here to subchapter 2, collection, liquidation, and distribution of the estate. And I went down here to discharge. And here it talks about how the court shall grant the debtor a discharge unless the debtor is not an individual, the debtor with intent to hinder, delay, or defraud a creditor or an officer of the estate charged with custody of property under this title has transferred, removed, destroyed, mutilated, or concealed, or has permitted to be transferred, removed, destroyed, mutilated, or concealed. So if you scroll down more, it explains, it says the debtor has failed to explain satisfactory before determination of denial of discharge under this paragraph any loss of assets or deficiency of assets to meet the debtor's liabilities. So this whole entire code just explains discharge and how you can approve for discharge and like the qualities of discharge, things like that. And yes. So next we will do for people who are filing under Chapter 13, where they find information on exactly what must be included in their Chapter 13 plan. So Chapter 13 is here, adjustments of debts of an individual with regular income. They have a subchapter called the plan. You just clicked here to 1322, which is contents of plan. And here it describes, right here it says the plan shall provide for the submission of all or such portion of future earnings or other future income of the debtor to the supervision and control of the trustee as is necessary for the execution of the plan, shall provide for the full payment and deferred cash payments of all claims entitled to priority under Section 507 of this title, unless the holder of a particular claim agrees to a different treatment of such claim. 3. If the plan classifies claims, shall provide the same treatment for each claim within a particular class. And 4. Notwithstanding any other provision of this section, may provide for less than full payment of all amounts owed for a claim entitled to priority under Section 507A 1B, only if the plan provides that all of the debtor's projected disposable income for a 5-year period beginning on the date that the first payment is due under the plan will be applied to make payments under the plan. So here, this code here just explains the contents of the plan, the Chapter 13 plan. And that would be all. Thank you.